Hi, this is Eric with Home Network Central, and I'm going to show you how to reset an ASUS router to the default factory settings. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure it's plugged into power. It has to be powered on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to unplug mine, and I'll show you from the beginning. So I'll plug it, so you plug it in. And now what I'm going to be looking for is basically I'm just waiting for the router to restart and boot up. So I want the power to be solid like that, because that's my indicator that it's time. That's my indicator for how long I'm going to press the button to reset it. So probably more lights are going to come on here, like the Wi-Fi is going to turn on, and different lights might come on for you. But the one I'm concerned with is the power light. And some routers don't have lights, but I'll just explain that in a minute. So what I'm doing is, to reset this thing, I'm going to go around to the back, and I'm looking for a little button like this. It says reset. You see that? You can't really press it in. Well, I can. This one you can press in with your finger, but sometimes you might want to use like a pencil or something. This one seems to be working when I use my finger. So I'm going to be pressing that button and holding it down. And I'm going to be holding it down until that power light changes. It's going to turn off, or it's going to start blinking or something. So here, let me show you real quick. I'm just going to reach around here real quick, and I'm going to put my finger over that button. So I'm going to hold that button down starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, it took about 11 seconds. See how it's changing? Now I can let go of the button. So now, after I let go of the button, it's restarting, and it's going to reset all the settings. It's going to take off any password that's on there. It's going to take off any settings, and it's going to be just like you bought it new out of the box. Now, the different routers are different. It might not have a light, or it might, this one's different. So this one, you would look on the back, and you can't use your finger for this one because there's a pinhole. So what I would do, if I can hold this steady here, I'll just put it down. See, in that hole, there's a button down in there. So you might want to use like a fork or a pencil or a pin or something. This fork might not work, but basically it's the same concept. You want to stick something in that hole, and there's a button inside there that's going to reset. And if, again, you're waiting for the lights to change, and then once the power light starts blinking, then you let go of the button. Or if it doesn't have lights, I would hold it down for at least 15 seconds, then you can let it go. And then the router will reset, and it'll be back at factory settings. Hopefully it helped you. If that helped you out, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.